That is coming down pretty good. What do you think that is, about 50 feet worth of visibility?
I have never seen a storm like that.
Look at all the hail already.
Oh my god.
It's almost, look how it's moved the barbecue about 8 feet.
I know.
Oh! Another chair flying away. Wow. Hey, it's actually, the fire pit hasn't moved. That person's car over there is going to get hit by one of your chairs and it's going to get fucked up. It'll survive as long as it's not through someone's window.
It's broken, it's right there. It completely snapped. And all my chairs. Holy hell. I have never seen a storm like this, ever. Holy fuck.
It's hailing sideways. It's coming down so hard.
I want to see this picture. I should have taken a picture in the prime time. Oh, I'm so mad.
There's the umbrella. It's snapped in half. There's one of the chairs. You just see a coffee cup zip by. There's a car that can't drive. And you can see the cushion over there in the distance, that little bump. Another cushion there.
Now I want to go collect all my stuff.
Yeah. Well, I think the tornado more or less has passed.
That was insane. Oh, don't drive over my umbrella, you idiot.
Well, okay, so this is it moved the table.
It moved everything. Like the barbecue.
Oh. Okay, it's still really wet out here. Wow. A pile of hail. There's the approximate size. And thunder time.